In this video, I'm going to show you how to download product videos from Amazon. So if you would like to download those videos from an Amazon listing, then go to the listing you want to download the videos from. And once you are there, we have a video, as you can see. Now the next step is to go to Google in a new tab, and there we will search for Chrome Store. So search for that, and then you will click on the first link, the Chrome Web Store. And as you are there, you are going to search for Professional, and then you will see the Video Downloader Professional. Click on that. Now what you need to do is to add this extension to your Chrome browser, add it, and once it is added, then you can right click on it and now pin it to your browser. So the next step is to go back to the Amazon listing, and we would like to click on the videos. So I will click on it, and as you can see, we have the video over here. And now if I go to this site, the extension we have downloaded, you can click to this, show video list. And as you can see, there are no videos at the moment. But what we need to do now is basically click away this tab, go back. And once we are at the extension, click on it. And now you can select the action when clicking on icon. And then you need to set up the show side panel. So once you have done that, and you will refresh your browser, so as I do now, then we will click again on the video. I will pause it again, and if you click now on this icon, then you will see that there is a list on the right side. And basically what we will do, as you can see, some videos are not able to download, but if you scroll a little bit down, there you will find the video which you can download from the Amazon listing. So click on download and save the video to your files. And as you can see, now we have successfully downloaded a video from an Amazon listing.